Has your case been rejected by another lawyer, and now you're considering whether you should call another lawyer, and you're also worried as to whether you should tell the new lawyer that you already had someone that looked at the case but didn't accept it? So if you're watching this video and you're considering calling me, I want to put your mind at ease. It's okay to tell me that you had another lawyer look at the case. I'm not going to judge you. I'm not going to say anything to you other than I'm so glad you called. Let me explain to you why. Hi, I'm Frank Spector. I'm a medical malpractice lawyer. I've been doing this for over 33 years. And in these series of videos, I'm doing what I'm calling straight talk, where I peel back the curtain for medical malpractice. Because those of you who've talked with me, the one thing that you say that you appreciated about our conversation was that I gave you straight answers. I talked to you straight. Sometimes I told you things you didn't want to hear and you were disappointed, but you were appreciative of it. And other times when I could help you, you were so glad that I walked you through the process. But this is a very touchy area, and I wanted to say one thing right from the beginning. Don't not call a lawyer for a second opinion because you're worried that they're going to judge you or be upset or won't take your case just because you had another lawyer before. I can't speak for every lawyer, but for me, I don't judge that at all. Because just like you go to a doctor for a second opinion, or you may consult a friend for a second opinion on something that you're trying to work out in your life, it's no different with lawyers. We give second opinions too. Sometimes lawyers just don't see the case in the same way. I've had many cases that I've taken as a second look or a third look from another lawyer, or maybe even two other lawyers who didn't see the case, and we were able to help the client tremendously. So don't be afraid to pick up the phone, and don't think I'm going to judge you, because I'm not. It's okay to get a second opinion, especially if you have your medical records. And if I ask you whether or not you've had another lawyer look at the case, I'm not asking you that to put you on the spot. I just would like to know who looked at the case. It's important for me. Was this a person that had a lot of experience in medical malpractice? Was this someone that may not know what they're doing? Also, were they able to gather some medical records and other documents, because it can make the review that my team does for you go a lot faster. So it's okay to tell me that you had another lawyer and that lawyer didn't take the case. I'm just so appreciative that you thought enough to pick up the phone and call me. I hope you found all this information valuable. If you're new here, please hit that like and subscribe button, because I want you to be able to take advantage of all of my free videos. I have a lot of topics on medical malpractice, and I hope you find them valuable too. Take care. I look forward to seeing you again on a future video.